Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use split screen multitask on your Android 13 or whatever. A lot of Androids have this uh, feature, so you can use it using multitasks. You can open up to 2 apps using your phone if you want. Let's say for example I want to open 2 apps, YouTube and Facebook. So what we're gonna do here is tap on the left bottom corner on my phone. There is a burger there. You can just click on it and then it will show you the apps already opened. You need at least 1 app open already. So this is my Facebook page, and what I'm gonna do here is just click on the icon of Facebook on the top of the page here. Click here and it will show you a lot of things here, and if you read right there, it's saying open in split screen view. That's where you're gonna click open in split screen view, and then it will ask you which it asks you, it opens the Facebook page on the top half of my phone or on my screen, and then it's asking to select which app you want to open at the same time. So you can search here or click on this and then it will show you all the apps, and then you choose whichever you want to open with Facebook. But I'm gonna go back, or you can use the search button here, so you can search for any app that you have on your phone. I'm gonna go back and then open my YouTube. So this is my YouTube channel. So you can do whatever you want now. So you can, let's say I want to post something, and then you can write down what's on your mind. So you can write something like this: thank you for watching, and then you can delete. So you can work on it normally, and then you can at the same time work using using your YouTube. And then also, if you click here, there is between the 2 pages that I opened 3 dots. If you click there, it's gonna ask you, it's gonna show 2 icons. The first one has 2 arrows, one going up and one going down, which is the symbol of switching the pages from top to the bottom and vice versa. And the other one is to add to home screen. So if you're using a lot these 2 pair of apps, you can add them to your home screen. So I'm gonna do that so I can show you. Click here, and then if I go home, I'm gonna see here that it adds 1 pair of app, which is 2 apps. And if I click there, it's gonna take me back to my YouTube and Facebook at the same time. As you see here, guys, there is a lot of things, a lot of other options here. You can add something like this. Some of the other features it has, if you click this brown or this line, it's gonna show you a lot of options to do. If you click here, it's gonna ask you if you want to switch one of the apps. Let's say I want the clock, so it's gonna open on the, instead of Facebook, it opens another app, so you can even switch. Let's go back to my Facebook, and then the other app, the other options is it's gonna ask you to do something like this. So it's another way to open it. So this is now you can do like this, and then So now I opened three apps, the clock, the Facebook, and my YouTube, and it's going to ask you if you want to make it much bigger or make it small like this, and then you can open it again. So now you can with this you can move it wherever you want to move it. So two apps are opened at the same time, the YouTube and the clock, and I can move it wherever I want. And if I click here, it takes me back to my normal, like this, and then I can work on whatever I want. So this is how is it. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy, you understand how to use this split screen, the multitask, using your Android. I hope you like it and share it with others. Thank you. Thank you for watching.